Tesla finally held the long-awaited and once rescheduled delivery event for its ultra-fast Model S Plaid at its factory in Fremont, California. The electric vehicle company will begin with 25 deliveries on Friday, expanding to several hundred cars per week and 1,000 cars per week in the next quarter, CEO Elon Musk said at the event. There were no huge surprises with the newest iteration of the Model S, which features a new battery pack design, an improved heat pump, carbon overwrapped rotors on the motors, and a new record for drag coefficient of 0.208, a figure that Elon Musk emphasized as perhaps a poke at up-and-corner Lucid Motors. The Lucid Air, which is slated to go into production later this year, has a drag coefficient of 0.21. Hi, and welcome to a new episode of Hyper EVs, where we bring you the latest and greatest information from the world of electric cars. While wielding a sledgehammer as prep for breaking a few records, Tesla Model S designer Franz von Holzen kicked off the event introducing Musk himself, who drove a shiny black Model S around the test track, gliding right onto the stage to the ducket sounds of dubstep. This is 9 years since we delivered the first Model S, the car first produced here in Fremont, so almost a decade, and I think we have really taken it to a whole new level with Plaid, said Musk to an audience of adoring fans. Some of you may know that our product plan is stolen from Spaceballs. We have gone Plaid speed. So why make this really fast car that's crazy fast and everything? And I think there is something that's quite important to the future of sustainable energy, which is that we have gone to show that an electric car is the best car hands down. It's got to be clear. Sustainable energy cars can be the fastest cars, the safest cars, and the most kick-ass cars in every way possible, Musk said. The four-door electric sedan goes from 0 to 60 in a whopping 1.99 seconds, which Musk says breaks the record of the 2-second barrier that no production car has been ever able to break. This was recently also broken by Rimac, but that is in a Hyper EV. To check out its review, please click on the link on the top right corner of your screen. The Plaid produces 1020 horsepower and has a top speed of 200 miles per hour and can complete the quarter mile in a record-shattering 9.23 seconds. According to Musk, the battery can travel up to 400 miles on a single charge, but Musk added that the car can go up to 412 miles with dual motor configuration. The Model S Plaid has a tri-motor setup. The improved charging speed also gives drivers 187 miles of range in just 15 minutes. The new Model S also has new battery pack, but Musk didn't elaborate past the detail. He spent a considerable time describing the carbon sleeve rotors for the motor, which Musk claims is a first for a production electric motor due to the difficulty of pulling it off. The end result is a motor that goes up to 20,000 RPM. The new heat pump that powers the Plaid's HVAC system has 30% better cold weather range and requires 50% less energy for cabin heating and freezing conditions, meaning a little degradation in cold weather. As we know that Teslas have always suffered when competing in drag races. They can be taken again and again. For drag races, the batteries need to be cooled off. So Tesla really has improved the heat dissipation right there. The interior of the Model S also has a number of updates, some that have already been revealed, including a yoke steering wheel, which has raised a few eyebrows and has the attention of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. A panoramic main screen and a ventilated front seats. The GPU apparently is at the level of PlayStation 5. The yoke steering wheel has been liked by many, but also the critics say that it wouldn't be going too far. Tesla would eventually be ending up giving an option of the round or a flat bottom steering wheel, but that only time can tell. As far as the infotainment screen is concerned, it's one of the best we have seen in any car. The orientation of the smart screen is now horizontal, and it's one of the largest screens that we have seen fitted in any Tesla. Tesla also claims that the GPU processing level is that of the PlayStation 5. You can easily connect a wireless controller with the screen and start playing games on it. We also noted that someone was playing Cyberpunk 2077 within the vehicle. The software of the car gets a redesign as well. It learns from the driver's behavior, adapting to the driver's needs, so that if, say, you tend to back out of your driveway in a certain way, the car geocodes to that location and eventually does that action for you via the autopilot system. It'll just keep minimizing the amount of input that you need to do until your car just reads your mind, said Musk. Musk also claimed that all input is error. So, Tesla is working towards a system that can automatically take over all of the functions with minimum input possible. The first deliveries of the vehicle, which starts at $130,000, come the same week. Musk officially announced plans to cancel production of the Model S Plaid Plus, what was meant to be a faster version of the Plaid version of the Model S. Tesla stopped taking pre-orders for the vehicle on its website back in May, prompting a speculation that the Plaid Plus was off the table. Musk also said that there was minimum difference between the Plaid Plus and the Plaid model, so there was no need to launch the Plaid Plus. Musk described driving it as akin to powering a spaceship in a tweet due to the car's indescribable limbic resonance. There were also a few of the reviewers on board who experienced the 0 to 60 times. Tesla claimed that it has made a system so intelligent that even with that whopping acceleration, the Tesla would be safe as any other car. We would really like to see how the Plaid competes against the Tesla Roadster. This is all for today's episode. Hope you liked our review of the Tesla Plaid Plus. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.